Hey, chat.
I'm gonna eat with my tongue. What if I just stick my tongue in the bag? My tongue didn't touch anything.
We just went
Guys, if Harris gets his, how many pieces of Coke were in here? She gets the last piece. And if she's wrong, I get the whole bag. I think it's fair.
Oh,
And my Ampy Burp.
what's his name?
One curb. Oh, wow.
Guys, we just went to Market Days. And my oating purpose are probably perp otnerv udperb.
Glacier.
Am I gonna put this? No.
Put this.
Put this in the last one? No.
Why not?
Well, maybe. Because my last one was the
There's
concert
more.
vlog. I actually don't think I ended that one. So maybe this is a good ending. What day is it? The 10th? When was the concert? 7 days ago? It's been a week. Here's a little haul of what we got.
I think enchiladas might be my favorite food.
Here's a K. My favorite's Monte Cristo. This is a K for me.
It's got them Lisa Franks on.
This is an L because I have Secret Santa. And I gotta get presents. We got stickers
For $1.
for $1.
$1.
I got these earrings. Sissy got her earrings, and Sissy got another pair of earrings. Let me
I
find
like
them.
earrings.
She got these
I don't
mushrooms.
even like mushrooms.
I know. Let's see, how many stickers? We got 3 Phineas and Ferb stickers, a Doctor Strange sticker, a Stitch sticker, and what other sticker did you get?
2 Stitch.
2 Stitch stickers.
Oh, look, that's how you ride.
And that's all we got, right?
I want the sports version.
I
though.
think so. And kettle corn.
Thank you.
We went to the Outlet Mall and Academy, and now we're at Barefoot College Outfitters. Barefoot, yeah, College Outfitters. We are at my sister's apartment, leaving to go Kia Soul.
Our address is. I'm just kidding.
Huh?
The address is.
Oh,
Artie Perb.
Artie Perb. We are going to the parking to get picked up by a shuttle
Eve
to.
Perb, Ermin Sherb, Hurdy Turb, Who Turb, Ollie Werb. Wait,
Yeah, sure.
it's the address in Nemo.
And then we're gonna go to Sights and Sounds, which is like what this whole video is about, I guess.
Not the good one?
Always the kettle corn and our earrings. Hi, Santa. I am freaking out. We are in the little town of Bethlehem, and we are getting in line for the candles. Like, this is so cool. Let's get it.
Where you going? Where you going?
Yeah. Look at our candles. They're great. We're gonna leave Bethlehem now. Bath in Bethlehem works. Wait, is it Overbird? Bath in Bethlehem works, right? Bath in Bethlehem works. We're eating some nachos with chicken on them. Water. We're in Chick-fil-A now, and who's at that place? Unfortunately, we did not get to see the headliner. Such a bummer, but you know, everybody's tired.
I'm not tired.
I'm tired.
Guys, I caught dolphins.
Granny, your foot was already in the shot.
What?
I'll have to edit it.
Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Cool. Thank you.
Let me see if I can get mine.
I'll make sure you don't leave nothing in here. There's so many ear things. Okay, guys, I can't get mine. So we got some
This is day 7, I hope, of this because I couldn't get it open and I just grabbed a pair. So we're gonna grab another pair because Sissy said so. This is day 8.
Apparently,
I
I'm
hope-
your big sister. You're not my little sister because you lost your TV.
It's somewhere.
Do you have any elf friends? This is Sissy's day 8, I guess.
I remember it was aching.
Look at Mama. Look at you, Mama.
She's wearing nothing but a purse. guys.
Becky, Mama.
Elmo cameraman.
It is Sunday and we were wrapping presents, but my sister is taking a nap right now, so we stopped. So that's, yeah. We got home, as you can tell. That's about it. Alright. Mom and Dad came home from the mall, and I'm doing my homework now. And Sissy's warming up the pizza.
No.
Well, her pizza. I already ate my pizza.
No.
What are you eating? That soup. In the air fryer. Yeah. You wanna say hi?
Good soup.
Do you like your
Guys,
socks?
I got a singular bee sock.
Mm-hmm.
Ankles are like living your
Yep.
on their more for long live. Now after they see these bad boys.
Stop. And I can't censor stuff good on Apple Music on iMovie. No. Anyways, these are my socks for the day. Let me zoom out.
At those.
No.
Here's all of your socks the same.
Yeah, they do. I'm a cotton-headed ninny muggin. I should wear one a day because, like, this is the last week of school. But no, your toes are in the shot.
Heck yeah.
I'm so done.